Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to iExcel Core. We are on the HR record series, and on this video, we are going to look at settings and we're going to look more at permission and general settings of the HR module. Permissions look at who we want to give permission and access to the system, and therefore we can have various level of permissions for the various roles and for various tasks we have in the system. So an employee or staff can have view HR dashboard. We can give them the HR organization. They can receive the staff. They can have HR records, HR job description, can do training, HR Q&A, HR contacts. So depending on who or the role of the staff within the organization, we can give them different settings in HR. That means all employees can have a view of HR dashboard. Of course, not all employees could or should view that. All employees should be able to see or view their own job description. Can they create, can they edit or delete? No, they can't create or edit, or they only have to view. They can have access to their own training, and they cannot create and delete for some of them, or they can view on contract. They can create and edit the dependents in the system, and they can view their own, and they can have access to their own, and they can edit their own checklist and so forth and so on. Once you've given those permissions, you click and save. So different category of staff, different category of employees can have different access to the HR module. Once you've done on the permissions, you can have general settings, and the general settings is straightforward, where we have the prefix for the job description, and we have prefix for the contract, and contract starts with 1. We have exit staff or exit employee code starts with 1, and then all that is saved. So if you need to change anything there, you can save. The reset data allows you to reset all information that you set up in the HR module. You're able to recreate and reset all that data. Of course, this is an admin function. You will not see that. So permission, we've seen the permissions and how to set permissions. We've seen also the aspect of general settings. That marks end of this video. Hope to see you in the next. Thank you for watching.